Main Street Commons is a premier apartment complex located 1 block off Bradley University's campus and right across the street from Campus Town. Built in 2011, Main Street Commons has 88 units across 4 floors, offering both 2- and 3-bedroom layouts for sophomores and up. While all residents have roommates, your lease isn't tied to them. Each resident signs their own individual lease that includes all utilities, even internet, giving them more control and peace of mind during their stay at Main Street Commons. In our lobby area, you'll find our managing staff, which can answer any questions you have regarding your apartment during office hours. If you order any large packages, you can pick them up here with a photo ID. You'll find your standard mail in your unit's mailbox around the corner. Down the hall, you'll find our community room, which is an open space for group study or unwinding with friends. Next door is the fitness center, complete with dumbbells, treadmills, ellipticals, all the basics for training. The fitness center, all entry doors, elevators, and stairwells are accessible only by resident key fobs. This helps ensure the security of all residents at Main Street Commons. All of our units open to the kitchen, where residents have full-size appliances and a bar area that opens up to the living room. All apartments include furniture and a smart TV for the dining and living areas. Around the corner, tenants enjoy a convenient, hassle-free laundry experience with in-unit washer and dryers. In each bedroom, residents can expect a furnished, full-size XL bed and desk alongside a closet and underbed storage. Every bedroom at Main Street Commons has its own full bathroom, complete with a walk-in shower and a large vanity for storage. Heading outside, our second-floor courtyard is a nice, private space to kick back or study in the warm months. There are a couple parking options at Main Street Commons. First, there is a parking lot directly north of our building that is open to residents at no additional cost. Otherwise, residents have the option of reserving a parking spot in our garage. Parking is limited, so spots are rented out on a first-come, first-served basis. We hope you enjoyed what Main Street Commons has to offer. If you'd like a private tour or get in touch about leasing, visit liveatmain.com.